Hey there, wonderful friends. As we age, staying healthy isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about building strength from the inside out. And one of the most powerful ways to do that? Nutrition. What you're about to discover are 8 immune-boosting foods backed by scientific research that can transform your body's ability to fight off infections, viruses, and diseases. These aren't expensive superfoods or exotic supplements. They're real, accessible foods that you can find at any grocery store. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're sharing natural health and wellness strategies for seniors every single week. And trust me, by food number 5, you're going to want to start eating differently immediately. Let's begin with the most powerful immune booster on this list. Food number 1 is garlic. And I'm not talking about garlic powder. I mean fresh, raw garlic cloves. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when you crush or chop the clove. This compound has been studied extensively, and research shows it significantly enhances immune cell function, particularly your white blood cells that fight infections. A landmark study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed garlic regularly had 63% fewer colds throughout the year compared to those who didn't. That's not a small difference. That's life-changing when you're trying to stay healthy and active after 60. Add fresh garlic to your stir-fry, soups, or roasted vegetables. It's one of the most powerful natural remedies you can eat. Food number 2, citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. We all know citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, but here's what matters for seniors. After age 60, your body's ability to absorb and store vitamin C decreases significantly. That means you need more of it, not less. Vitamin C is essential for producing white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from free radical damage that accelerate aging and weaken immunity. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that seniors who maintain optimal vitamin C levels through diet have a 35% lower risk of developing respiratory infections, including pneumonia, which is a leading cause of hospitalization in older adults. Here's your daily protocol. Eat at least 1 whole citrus fruit per day. Not juice, whole fruit. Food number 3 is spinach. This leafy green is an immune system powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and numerous antioxidants that enhance your body's infection-fighting ability. But what makes spinach especially valuable for seniors is its high folate content. Folate is critical for producing and repairing DNA and RNA, which is essential for creating new immune cells. After 60, your body's ability to produce new immune cells slows down. Spinach helps counteract this decline. Food number 4 is almonds. These nuts are one of the best natural sources of vitamin E, which is crucial for immune function, especially as you age. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. Here's your strategy. Eat a small handful of almonds, about 23 nuts, as a daily snack. Pair them with a piece of fruit or add them to your yogurt. You can also use almond butter, which provides the same benefits and is easier to incorporate into smoothies or spread on apple slices. Food number 5 is turmeric, and this is where things get really interesting. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons your immune system weakens with age. Inflammation exhausts your immune cells and prevents them from responding effectively to real threats. Multiple studies, including research published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology, show that curcumin significantly enhances immune function by modulating immune cell activity and reducing inflammatory markers in your body. But here's the catch. Your body struggles to absorb curcumin on its own. You need to pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo. 2,000%. Food number 6 is green tea, one of the most researched immune-boosting beverages on the planet. Green tea contains catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which has been shown to enhance immune function and protect against viral infections. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. Add a squeeze of lemon to increase antioxidant absorption. Food number 7 is ginger. This powerful root has been used as a natural remedy for thousands of years, and modern science now confirms its immune-boosting properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Grate fresh ginger into hot water to make ginger tea. Add honey and lemon for additional immune benefits. Food number 8 is sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange vegetables are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of your skin and the mucous membranes in your respiratory and digestive tracts. These are your body's first barriers to infections. When these barriers are strong, pathogens can't easily enter your system. One medium sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A requirement. That's exceptional nutritional value from a single, affordable food. Here's the best preparation. Bake or roast sweet potatoes with the skin on. The skin contains additional fiber and nutrients. Top with a small amount of butter or olive oil because vitamin A is fat-soluble and needs fat for absorption. There you have it. 8 immune-boosting foods that can strengthen your body's defenses naturally. Remember, your immune system is your lifeline. Feed it well, and it will protect you for years to come. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more natural health and wellness strategies, and share this with someone who needs stronger immunity. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these foods you're adding to your diet first. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.